In applications with harsh chemicals, pH measurement can be challenging, requiring frequent replacement of sensors. Here's why. pH sensors work by measuring the voltage difference between a pH-sensitive measuring electrode and a stable reference electrode. For this voltage to be measured, the two electrodes must be in electrical contact with one another. This electrical contact is achieved by a porous opening in the reference electrode, called a reference junction, that allows a small amount of ions to flow from the reference electrolyte into the process fluid. When the process fluid contains harsh chemicals, some of these chemicals diffuse through the junction and into the reference chamber, where they react with the reference electrode and alter its electrical potential, making the pH reading unstable and inaccurate. This phenomenon is called pH reference poisoning. Rosemount 389 series pH sensors are designed to overcome this challenge. These sensors feature a triple reference junction design. Each successive junction delays the diffusion of poisoning chemicals, making it more difficult for these chemicals to reach the reference electrode. The result is a longer-lasting, more reliable pH measurement. To learn more about how Emerson's pH sensors can overcome pH measurement challenges in harsh chemical applications, visit www.emerson.com/Rosemount liquid analysis.